Hi you guys, we are going to plant this cilantro. I got this at the Dollar General, about 5 cents. I have got a packet and a half just in this area right there, and you can see all the seeds. I've already pre-sprinkled those tan colored seeds there. I like to have kind of a mass growing, I guess you could call it. And again, on your packet, you're just going to check the depth of it. This only requires about 1/4 of an inch depth. The spacing, I don't really pay much attention to on really a lot of vegetables, and I don't think a lot of other gardeners are paying attention to that too, especially with the permaculture that is going on right now. You need to pay attention to the depth and the zone. I'm putting this in the corner of my house here because it's going to get more sun than my little salad bowl area will. And I'm already craving some Mexican food, so I am hoping that this is going to come in pretty quickly for me. So I'm just going to take some dirt and I'm going to sprinkle about 1/4 of an inch onto all of that. And then I'm going to lightly water. Well, first, I'm going to just pat it down just a little bit. And you're always going to do that with your seeds, is just pat it a little bit. You don't need to stomp on it or anything. Make sure nothing blows away. And then you're just going to gently water it. And you're just going to wait. Since it is spring, and these are new seeds, that's usually when you want to water it the most. But normally in the springtime, you're getting a lot of rain anyway, and it's doing a lot of the work. But we'll come back and we will see how successful these 5-cent seeds were from the Dollar General. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.